In this video, I will show you how to fix the emergency calls only network problem on Balmuda phones. Step 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Step 2. Restart your phone. Step 3. Reset network settings. Step 4. Open your SIM card and clean it with a rubber or eraser. Step 5. Check mobile network. If it is disabled, then enable it. I hope your problem is resolved. If the emergency call still shows, contact customer care.